today I will show you how to make a slider number on After Effects with or without something behind or in front of the numbers. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's say you have any text you want here. Now search for slider effect here. If you play around here, there's nothing will happen. Now on the keyframe, open the text and effect. Click Alt while clicking the search text stopwatch, so this expression will appear. Connect the parent icon here to the slider effect. And we are going to play around with this expression. Let's say you want to animate it from 0 to 99 on the last frame. Unfortunately, a lot of decimals appears like this, so we have to do something here. We have to add dot value dot to fixed and put 0 inside the parentheses to remove the decimals. You can adjust the amount of decimals you want here, like maybe you need 2 or 6 decimals here. Now what about when we want to add something behind or in front of the numbers like dollar or percent or anything else? Just put a dollar or anything else once again inside a quotation mark here with plus on the beginning of the expression. Or maybe if you need anything behind the number, do the same with plus and put something inside quotation mark behind the expression. And this is the result. This is how you make a number slider. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content.